This is the Keurig K-Compact Coffee Maker. Well, as you can see, this Keurig, I got this on Sunday of last week. Yes, it is still in the box. I have a friend that would ask me, is it still in the box? Yes, it's still in the box. I haven't had time to take this out. So, as you can see, right now is going to be the perfect opportunity so that I can be able to quickly unbox this and show you how it works. So this is mine, my personal one right over here. So the one that we're going to be using is the one that I have at work because my supervisor purchased hers 2 weeks ago. And we're going to use that one as a demonstration. But for the meantime, let's just look at the features here in the box. As you can see, they're saying it's a space-saving design. And then the machine offers 3 cup sizes. And it offers a 36-ounce water reservoir. And then, of course, it is fresh brewed. And take a look at all of these K-Cups that this machine is compatible with. Nothing better about a nice morning coffee. And as you can see, the color of this machine is black, just as you see it in the box. We're not going to go through this whole box, I can tell you right now, because it's going to bore the screen out. But we're just going to look at the backside. Yes. This is the backside of it. And as you can see, down over here, coffee. Let's see. Coffee house taste in your own home. The perfect cup every time. Is it? Yes, it is. So we're going to quickly take a look at this out of the box, and then we're heading down to work. So I can use the one at work because I need to make me a good cup of coffee this morning, and the one at work is going to be perfect. Finally, this thing is unboxed. And the only thing that came in the box is this little manual right over here. That's all that came in the box. We're not going to view this manual. I'm just letting you know that that just came in with the machine. Let's get this out of the way. And as you can see, towards the side right over here is a space saving. Yeah, it looks to be so. All right. So let's look at the side over here real quick. That's how the side looks like. Although we did look at that. And then we look at the reverse. That's how the reverse looks like. So let's do this. Now that you looked at the whole machine through the outside, this gives you an idea of how it looks like. Now, it's time for me to head into work and get some coffee because I need it this morning. Let's head there right now. Here we are at the place of my employment, and we are now looking at the Keurig K-Compact in its original glory. Now this one, my supervisor bought this one 2 weeks and 2 days ago. And what I love about this machine is simplicity in mind. This is one of the reasons as to why I purchased mine. Now, first off, we're going to look at the removable reservoir right over here. It does have a lid, so I'm going to remove the lid. And then I'm going to remove the reservoir so you can get an idea what 36 ounces look like right over here, because that's the maximum that this can hold to reserve water. So to avoid a nasty spill, that's one of the reasons why I removed the lid off of the reservoir. So this is how it looks like. All right. Let's put that back in there again. And let's replace the lid. Watch how quick this thing warms up. So I'm gonna hit the power. It does take quite some time to heat up, but it won't be that long. Usually this thing takes about a minute or two to do so. So I'd say it's almost done. You can hear this thing in full motion right now, so it's almost done. There. Now, this comes equipped with a drip tray, but we're going to do something a little more extreme. We're going to remove the tray here, and we are going to put in a 16-ounce thermos. This is the 16-ounce version of the Contigo thermos right over here, the snap seal. But since I can't fit the whole thing in there, there is a way to fit that in there, and you're gonna see how that works. So here we go. So I'm gonna remove the drip tray, stick this aside. We're gonna take this cup and we're gonna insert this in here. I'm not gonna press it down yet, and you'll see why in just a sec. So then I'm gonna take the thermos, stick it under here, just like that. Even though, just like the package says, you do have your 3 cup selection buttons for 6 ounces, 8 ounces, and 10 ounces. So what I plan to do is, I'm just gonna do 8 ounces on this thing. So all you have to do now is simply press on down. And then it gives, now the 3 buttons, they're flashing at the same time, so you can select one. I'm gonna select the 8 ounces. And there we go. So now I pull this out carefully, and we have our coffee. I already put in cream and sugar already, so just stick this back in there. One of the beauty things about this machine is that the heater stays on just in case if someone else wants to make up another cup of coffee, which is really nice. And it's a really convenient feature as well. So let me just remove this out of here. Replace the drip tray. like so. Get this out of the way. So if you haven't already, please subscribe. Usually I make videos like this, and they come every now and then here and there. So hit subscribe if you haven't. Also like the video if you like it. This is 270 EHA19, simply saying thank you for watching.